Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the products that promise to elevate your self-care routine. Today, we're talking about something that might surprise you: an electric toothbrush. The Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9500. While we often focus on skincare or hair care, oral health is just as essential, and this toothbrush is said to offer advanced features to take your dental care to the next level. Let's break it down. The Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9500 is an electric toothbrush designed with cutting-edge technology to provide superior plaque removal, healthier gums, and a brighter smile. With its 5 brushing modes, 3 intensity levels, and smart features like pressure sensors and app connectivity, it's clear this product isn't just about brushing your teeth. It's about transforming your brushing experience. This toothbrush claims to remove up to 20 times more plaque than a manual toothbrush, improve gum health up to 15 times, and reduce stains up to 100%. But is it really worth the investment? Let's find out. Real-world testing and usage experience. I've been using the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9500 for a few weeks now, and right off the bat, I could tell the difference from my usual manual toothbrush. The toothbrush has a sleek and high-tech design, and it feels premium in hand. Setting it up was pretty easy. Just connect it to the Philips Sonicare app, and you're ready to go. What I love is the customization. There are 5 brushing modes: Clean, White Plus, Deep Clean Plus, Gum Care, and Tongue Care. Each mode targets a different aspect of oral care, and you can adjust the intensity with 3 levels. I found that Gum Care was particularly great for gentle yet thorough brushing, especially when I was feeling like my gums needed a little extra TLC. One of the standout features is the pressure sensor. If you're brushing too hard, the light ring on the handle flashes to remind you to ease up. This small detail really helped me protect my gums, something I didn't expect from a toothbrush, but I appreciate it a lot now. The Philips Sonicare app is another interesting feature. It tracks your brushing habits and offers personalized guidance to help improve your technique. It's a great tool if you're someone who's serious about oral health, or if you tend to forget spots when brushing. Pros and cons. Let's talk about the pros first. The Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9500 offers a truly personalized experience. The different modes and intensity settings allow you to tailor your brushing to your exact needs, whether that's plaque removal or gum care. The pressure sensor is a game changer for protecting your gums, and the app is a great added bonus for tracking your progress. It's also comfortable to hold and looks sleek on your bathroom counter, giving it a modern, high-tech feel. However, there are a few things worth considering. The price tag is on the higher end. This is a premium toothbrush after all. If you're just looking for basic plaque removal and don't mind missing the smart features, you could find more affordable options. Another small issue is that while the app is a cool addition, it's not necessarily something everyone will use consistently. If you're not into tech and just want a reliable toothbrush, the app might feel like overkill. Value for money. Is the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9500 worth the price? It's hard to ignore the fact that this toothbrush comes with a hefty price tag. However, when you compare its advanced features, like the pressure sensor, multiple brushing modes, real-time feedback, and app connectivity, it's clear that this toothbrush is designed for those who take their oral health seriously and are willing to invest in it. The quality of the brushing experience is certainly top tier, and if you're someone who values precision and personalization in your dental care, then the investment might be justified. That said, if you're not keen on the app or smart features, you might find comparable results with a more basic electric toothbrush. Comparisons. Compared to other electric toothbrushes on the market, the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9500 stands out for its app connectivity and pressure sensor, which are more advanced than many other models in its price range. For instance, brands like Oral-B offer similar sonic toothbrushes, but they may not have the same level of smart features or the sleek design. However, those alternatives may come at a lower price point, making them appealing if you're not interested in the extra bells and whistles. Build quality and longevity. The build quality of the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9500 is top-notch. It feels sturdy, and the materials used are premium. The battery life is also impressive, offering multiple uses before needing a charge. Plus, the charging glass is a nice touch. It doesn't just sit in your bathroom, it doubles as a stylish charging station. As for longevity, the brush heads are easy to replace, and Philips offers a range of brush heads tailored to different oral care needs. With proper care, this toothbrush should last you a good few years, making it a solid investment in the long term. Final verdict. So does the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9500 live up to its claims? Absolutely. It provides a superior brushing experience with personalized modes, pressure feedback, and real-time tracking through the app. It's a great choice for those who prioritize their oral health and want to make sure they're brushing the best way possible. Is it worth the investment? If you're looking for a premium toothbrush that combines performance, technology, and longevity, then yes, it is. However, if you're just looking for basic plaque removal, there are cheaper options that might suit your needs. #mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9500, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. If you're interested in purchasing it, you can find the link in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.